Hi folks, Frank here from Lloyd's Classic Car Auctions. It's my pleasure to introduce this 1988 Lotus Esprit Turbo. Made famous, of course, by the great Roger Moore back in the 70s. If you're a 70s kid or 80s kid, you'll remember the Lotus submarine driving out of the beach there straight onto the road. Just an awesome car. This one's a factory right-hand drive UK delivered car, obviously imported some time ago. The current custodians have owned the car for 3 years and done just 9,000 kilometres since owning the vehicle. They've sort of maintained the car, done a couple of different things. They've added electronic steering assist to the car, just to make it a bit more manageable around and just park a little bit easier. You know, these cars are obviously built to drive, and it is a whole lot of fun to drive. The 2.2 turbo petrol gets up and goes. They like to sort of rev out. And you know, we're driving around the Gold Coast here today, and we're certainly turning some heads as we do it. So, just an awesome European car. The designer of this car would actually go on to design the McLaren F1. So, they've got some great history. They're awesome cars to drive. So, folks, if you'd like to place a bid on the car, or if you've got any last-minute inquiries, give us a call, 1-800-456-588. You can register for phone bidding as well on that number, or jump on at our website, lloydsauctions.com.au. This awesome Lotus Esprit Turbo going under the hammer, 29th of January, starting at 10 AM. We'll see you at the auction, folks.